Hello everyone and welcome to Finance Friday, episode 12, and today a 2030 Capex roadmap that pays for itself because sequence beats scatter. Energy bills are jumping everywhere, rules are tightening in most markets, and lenders want proof that your building are getting more efficient. The secret isn't buying shiny gadgets, it's doing upgrades in the correct order. Sequence beats scatter. So different regions call the rules different things. In Europe has the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, the EPBD. The US uses the state and city codes and standards like the ASHRAE, which stands for the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers, and the IECC, International Energy Conservation Code. The UK has MEES, Minimum Energy Efficiency Standards. Australia tracks buildings performance with NABERS, National Australian Built Environment Rating System, and Canada has the NECB, National Energy Code for Buildings. No matter where you are, the playbook is the same. Here is a simple plan for 2030 that reduces your energy use, maintains comfort, and makes financing more manageable. Okay, nice mouthful for a Friday finance. Okay, step 1. Start with the building's brain, the BMS or the BAS, Building Management System, or the Building Automation System. It decides how hard heating, cooling, and fans should work. Clean up time schedules, set sensible temperature targets, and add VSDs, variable speed drives, to stop motors running at full speed all day. Track a simple before and after using kilowatts per hour or per square meter. Or in North America, the kBtu / FT2, thousands of British thermals units per square foot. These tweaks often save 5 to 15% immediately and provide proof that the change is working. Keep in mind that energy consumption works in some buildings 24/7 when it doesn't need to. Step 2, reduce the load so the building needs less. Improve insulation where it pays back, such as roofs, leaks, facades, and around windows, and plug obvious air leaks. Set fresh air rates to match actual occupancy, and monitor IAQ, indoor air quality, with simple targets for CO2, carbon dioxide, and particulates. In hot climates, focus on minimizing solar gain and maximizing shading. In cold climates, focus on achieving air tightness and minimizing thermal bridges. Good air circulation without over-ventilation means lower energy use and fewer complaints about hot, cold temperatures. I wonder how that will apply to data centers. Step 3. Upgrade the core plant after waste is trimmed. This is when you replace large equipment such as boilers and chillers. Consider high-efficiency heat pumps where they fit. Right size everything to the new, lower demand. Balance water loops and watch AT, delta T, the temperature drops across coils. A healthy delta T means your system is transferring heat efficiently. Also plan your refrigerant strategy so you aren't stuck with fluids that are being phased down. Step 4. Add on-site generation and flexibility. Now, rooftop solar, PV, photovoltaics, and storage make the most sense. You've already reduced waste and sized equipment correctly, so every unit you generate does more to lower your bill. Pair this with smart tariffs and demand response, small temporary nudges to set points when power is expensive, to shave peaks and reduce operating cost. In areas with weak grids or extreme weather conditions, storage also enhances resilience. Step 5. Finance it, prove it, communicate it. Blend Capex, capital expenditure, with green loans, incentives, and grants where available. I say it again. Blend Capex with green loans, incentives, and grants where available, which is in most countries. Prioritize your worst performers first. Every quarter, show a single, reliable pager. Number 1, energy trend, kilowatts per hour. Number 2, your air indoor quality, pass rate, percentage per occupied hours within the target. And 3, avoid maintenance and unplanned downtime. Number 4, a simple comfort satisfaction metric like tickets per week or NPS, net promoter score. Clear, repeatable data unlocks the next round of funding and keeps everyone aligned, no matter the country. How it plays out: Controls fixed, waste and stabilize comfort. Envelope and ventilation cut buildings' needs. Plant upgrades get smaller, cheaper and easier to commission. Solar and storage then save more because you're generating a cleaner building and a leaner building. With quarterly proof, finance gets easier each step of the way, and investors will like that as well. What to track every month? Keep it boring and consistent. Kilowatts per hour or your kBtu, foot per square meter, peak demand kilowatts, hot, cold tickets, your indoor air quality pass rate, and planned versus unplanned maintenance. Look at everything. Add simple payback and the internal rate of return for each step. When the format never changes, trends stand out. So, this is your 2030 plan for the CFO, and I'm sure you will back it. Sequence better, scatter, controls, then load, then plant, then generation. Prove it, repeat. Low operating cost, better comfort, and cleaner financing. That's how you turn rules and rising prices into an advantage. So, controls, load, plant, generation, sequence, beat, scatter. Review the data, update where you can, spend your money wisely. Thank you for watching Finance Friday, and until next week Friday, have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.